alarm message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, several destructive gas explosions have been confirmed in the boroughs of Manhattan, Queens, and Brooklyn. This gas is extremely poisonous and will suffocate you in a matter of seconds. Find a safe place in your building, avoid air conditioning as numerous reports state that this gas is able to get into homes via airways. Do not go outside, this is an extremely dangerous situation. You are putting your life in danger if not inside of a safe building. It is advised that you make your way to the most secure room of the building, which is the bathroom and basement. The 911 telephone line is currently experiencing an outage regarding the current situation. Gas masks are currently being distributed to those in need by law enforcement. After the gas clears up, be aware that the surroundings are very hazardous due to dust and debris. This message will repeat.